Remember to subscribe to Bad Bank's YouTube channel for easy access to all our how-to and inspirational videos. Welcome to Bad Bank's 4-minute introduction to Group Combined Output. We have just processed 6 statements, January through June, for this one checking account number. We are going to export the group, which Bad Bank has temporarily given a 5-digit group name, by clicking on the group box and selecting Export. If you wanted to only export and combine a few of these statements, you could just select the rows that you want to export together from this group. When the Downloads box appears, click on the zipped folder and then rename the folder anything that works for you. Let's call it January through June. Subfolders are organized the same as all Bad Bank output, but now this top-level CSV is the combined transactions from all 6 statements. Let's take a look. The top-level CSV is where we will have the combined output from the 6 statements. The 6 months of transactions are ordered sequentially, and the reconciliation information for each month is also included. Here are the February transactions and reconciliation information, here's March, and so on down the table. Let's look at the rest of the group output. In the accounting subfolders, there is an output file type for each monthly statement. In the Xero subfolder, you have one OFX and one CSV for each monthly statement. These are reconciled and ready to upload into Xero. Remember, if your statement has no transactions, no OFX or QBO output file will be created. In your QB folder, you have QBO and CSV files for each statement, all of them pre-reconciled and ready to upload into QuickBooks. The PDF subfolder contains your 6 original PDFs, January through June. Remember that these original PDFs of yours have not been changed in any way. They have just been renamed so that you can easily match them to associated output files. Using these directive files with groups is covered in another video. The final subfolder contains your individual 6-statement CSV files, which have been conveniently combined for you in the top-level CSV and ready for you to pull into Excel or a database. And remember, because the transactions have unique fit ID hashtags and the statements are pre-reconciled, you can have confidence that you are not missing or duplicating transactions. Now let's say I had 3 Visa card statements for the first quarter. January, February, March, and 3 checking account statements, and I want all my output combined in the same folder. These are different types of accounts, credit card and checking, and have 2 different account numbers. Let's export that group. We will rename the output folder as First Quarter. There are now 2 top-level combined files, one for the 3 checking account statements and a second for the 3 credit card statements. Bad Bank only combines transactions by account number because debit and credits can be flipped in different account types. Let's take a look inside of each of these 2 top-level CSV files. This is the credit card combined output. There's January, February, and there's March. All the transactions and the reconciliation information are here for all 3 of those statements. The second combined CSV file is for the 3 checking account statements, January, February, and March. Here's what this looks like. Again, each month's reconciliation information is there for easy reference. So, looking again at the entire output folder for what we called our first quarter group output. Except for the fact that this group output folder has 2 top-level combined CSV files, one for the checking and one for the credit card statements, the rest of the subfolders are structured the same as all Bad Bank output folders. The accounting system subfolders have monthly level files ready for you to upload into your accounting system. The PDF subfolder has your original statements renamed. The Bad Bank naming convention makes it easy to differentiate the checking statements from the credit card statements.
Now move on to Bad Bank's tutorial on using the optional rename directive file, and remember to subscribe to Bad Bank's YouTube channel for easy access to all our how-to and inspirational videos.